I know what you might be wondering. Cambit, where have you been? Why did you abandon us? Well, the truth is, I have been studying and researching you guys this whole time. I've been reading every single comment. I have been taking time out of my day to figure out the mental and psychological. Okay, honestly, I just didn't feel like uploading for a long time. And I got busy, but I thought it sounded cooler if I said it like that. But really, I just haven't felt like doing videos, and also I'm like completely out of ideas. But today I was like, okay, I have a video idea because I've kind of been designing just a little bit since I've been gone, like actually not much at all, so I'm not like better or anything. But I have some more video ideas that I want to upload, so I'm gonna do that. So don't get your hopes up for me to like upload daily or anything like that, because it's just not gonna happen. But I am going to try to upload every once in a while. But what I'm going to really try doing is uploading more on my gaming channel. I have started to upload Roblox videos, so if you guys like Roblox videos, definitely check it out. It's right here. It's going to be down in the description and the comments. Please check it out. I'm going to start uploading on there. If you guys want to see that, that'd be awesome if you'd support me. But anyways, yeah, with this channel, I'm going to try uploading every once in a while. I don't have any like, I don't know, any kind of schedule or anything. But yeah, I'm kind of back, but I'm kind of not back at the same time. But I just want to see how you guys are doing. So let me know in the comments below how you guys are doing, what you guys have been up to, if you guys are still designing or not. I'm curious to see. It feels good to be back-ish, kind of back. I'm not going to fully commit. Don't hold me accountable for that. I'm not 100% back, okay? Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. And I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, it's been a while. And that's honestly all I got for you guys today. I'm going to be uploading a video as well in a little bit. It'll be a tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.